guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Yes, it's been a long time since I made a video, especially about what I'm doing today. Today I am unboxing a brand new case of 1,000 rounds of 223 ammunition. That's right, ever since New York State, I'm a citizen of the People's Republic of New York. Ever since they had the new ammo law, which means now in New York, if you want to buy ammo, you can't buy it over the counter like you used to, like a bag of chips. You actually have to do a background check for $2.50 and make sure you're not some kind of nut before they send you ammunition or let you buy it. Also, places that I used to buy ammo where they would ship it directly to your door can no longer do that. They have to ship it to an FFL and for you to pay a $10 transfer fee to receive said ammunition. But because I'm former retired Leo, all active duty or former Leos can have your credentials mailed to them and updated into your account, and so that they are allowed to ship it directly to your door, which is my case today. It's very refreshing to be able to skip the FFL and transfers and background checks when they know that you're not some kind of nut. So today I'm gonna open it. I bought it because it's a brand new brand that I've never had before. And that's what I tend to do. I buy brands that I've never used before so that I can introduce them to you guys. I could have bought PMC, which was like $460 for a case, which isn't terrible. It's not great. It's not as cheap as it used to be, but it's okay. And that ammunition is really good. I really like it. So here I go. I'm gonna open it up for you. It's a brand that I've never used before. So I bought the shipping insurance. Usually I'm not that guy that buys like the extended warranty or safety coverage and all that stuff. I never buy it. But for ammunition, I figured $9, $10, it gives you peace of mind, because if your ammo is lost, stolen, it's hassle-free. To pay the shipping insurance, if anything happens to your package from no fault of your own, they'll replace it, no questions asked. So for me, $10 is worth saving of a hassle. So it's packed very nicely, as it usually is. Due to the new YouTube gun policy, I'm not allowed to leave a link in the description anymore for things like ammunition, because I'm not supposed to be saying that I'm encouraging you to buy said ammunition. So I'm just going to tell you where I got it from. I'm wearing their t-shirt. Just Google it. So they ship the box in another box, unlabeled, so that nobody knows what it is. And here it is. 50 boxes of 20. Scorpio. I bought it because I am a Scorpio. Scorpio Ammo is a company in Tempe, Arizona, and they make remanufactured ammo. This is remanufactured ammo, which is why it was only $420. It was on a sale from $435. Now, this company does charge state sales tax, which means I had to add another $35 along with my $10 shipping insurance. So this all came out to $466. Which is still decently priced in today's age, not to mention the fact that it came right to my door. Now, Scorpio also does sell new brass, but I think their business model is selling remanufactured ammo. Now, remanufactured ammo, there's nothing wrong with that, because what it is instead of new brass, they just get used brass. The expended brass that you get at the range when you're shooting, your brass is expended and people pick up the brass. Well, they keep the brass, they clean it, they polish it, whatever, and they reload it just like a regular case. So I don't have any problems shooting remanufactured ammo. I shoot Russian steel case, for God's sakes, and I never have a problem. So this is still brass, although it's not brand new brass. So this is 55 grain FMJ full metal jacket, and it's 223 caliber. Right here's a better look at it. And like I said, it should be 50 boxes of 20, which equals 1,000. And as you can see, to save money, they don't have, you know, like a little case area that holds the rounds together. You know what I mean? It's just loose in a box like that. You know, whatever. I don't care if it's going to save them money to handle this, package it and all that, and get it out there to us. It'll pass the savings on to the customer, correct? So I don't care how they get it to me, as long as they get it to me, right? We're all gonna just use this up. We're not going to display it in a case or something like that. So having it fancily packed inside a box is merely just extra cost that they're gonna charge you for, right? So as you can see, polished and clean. You could never tell that this is remanufactured ammo. Obviously new primer, new powder, new bullets, and just place into a machine that you normally would use to manufacture brand new ammo. It's the same thing. Leave it in the comments, fellas, if you guys have used Scorpio ammo before, and not to be confused with CZ Scorpion, the Czech Republic manufacturer. So this is Scorpio, as in the astrological sign, birth sign of Scorpio, which I am. So that made it a little more enticing. So, I mean, honestly, if you could cut money and just have a plain white box that just has a Scorpio stamp on it, I'd be cool with that too. So they actually spent money printing several multicolor template on here, a design, a logo, the QR code, serial numbers for your bill of lading and all that stuff. I mean, you could have saved some money on that and sold it to your consumer even cheaper, thus increasing your profit margin. So I'm very cool with this. In essence, this is 46 cents a round. 223-556 is expensive as compared to, let's say, 9mm, which, by the way, they also produce 9mm, whether remanufactured or brand new brass. And it's 9mm is very cheap these days. I mean, I've seen on the website on my t-shirt, $225 for 1,000 rounds. That's pretty good. So there you have it. 50 boxes of 20 1,000 round case sent to my door because I'm a retired Leo. Scorpio 55 grain 223 remanufactured brass rounds. I paid $466. Go check out the website that's printed on my t-shirt. There will not be a link in the description, and I'm not promoting any sales of ammunition on my YouTube channel. I'm just showing you what I bought. I'm sharing my experience of my own personal purchase. This YouTube gun policy sucks. I'm sure you'll agree. You think the new YouTube gun policy for YouTubers suck? Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the description. Thanks a lot for joining me on this unboxing video. We'll see you guys next time at the range where I try out some of this Scorpio remanufactured ammo. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. You gotta go bing! Bing!
Henry, address the bullet.
Hello, bullet! Hello, bullet! Dead ski.
Better?